the deep Pacific quiet and disturbed. For millennia, its ridges have stored chemical records, far beyond the reach of surface history. Now, nearly 3 miles beneath the ocean, scientists have recovered something unexpected. Not a threat, not a malfunction, but a staple anomaly. Beryllium-10, a cosmogenic isotope, produced when high-energy particles from beyond our atmosphere fracture nitrogen nuclei in the upper sky. These atoms, carried by wind and precipitation, were deposited across Earth's oceans like fine industrial dust. They settled into the crust slowly, methodically. No crisis, no containment breach. Just the atmosphere performing its function. This accumulation, isolated from sediment cores in the Central Pacific, marks a pronounced increase in deposition about 10 million years ago. Persistent across sites thousands of miles apart, the signal was consistent. And so, the conclusion was clear. This radiation was not artificial. It required no cleanup, no oversight, no liability. There were no traces of reactor byproducts. No curium-244, no curium-242, no ruthenium-106. Only the slow arithmetic of galactic processes intersecting with the ocean floor. Natural radiation, properly aged, becomes acceptable, almost decorative. In that sense, it aligns with institutional comfort. Of course, some commentators raise questions. They reference submerged cores, unsealed fuel, and isotopic signatures more recent than 10 million years. But those concerns, while persistent, remain outside the scope of this particular study, and outside the boundaries of funded inquiry. This segment of the Radiant Pacific was made possible by a generous educational grant from WestingCore. WestingCore, facilitating public understanding through managed scientific communications. Because not all isotopes require interpretation. Some are best understood as ambient. While discussions continue regarding modern contamination from uncontained fission events, today's discovery provides a calming perspective. Radiation, in the proper geological context, need not imply consequence. Not all emissions are measured. Not all data is required. From the Public Broadcast Syndicate and our partners at WestingCore, we thank you for your attention. Remember, when the data arrives without controversy, there is often no need to investigate further. Until next time, remain within acceptable thresholds, and please consult only credentialed channels before forming conclusions.